Now let's look at Fibonacci Extension 2. Some charting software call it Fibonacci Projection 2. Others call it Fibonacci Expansion 2. They are all the same thing. So Fibonacci Extension 2 will help you to anticipate where the price is heading to. It will help you to anticipate where is it heading to. The purpose of Fibonacci Expansion 2 is to tell you where you will be thinking of taking your first profit. It will help you to set your profit target. Let's look at our example. From this example we have here, the beginning of this impulse wave is A. And the end of this impulse wave we are looking at is B. And C is the correction. Alright, C is the end of the correction. Now let's pick up our Fibonacci Expansion 2. Let's go to Insert. Go to Insert. Go to Fibonacci. And then here you see Expansion. Click on that expansion. You come to point A. You click on point A and drag it to point B. Alright. Here we are at point B. Alright. So we are at point B. In order to move the third line, you see one of the major difference between Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci expansion is that Fibonacci expansion has an additional sort of line. An additional sort of line here at the line C. So you double click on it to make it active so that you'll be able to move that line C. So this additional line that it has, you drag this additional line to C. Alright. So that is Fibonacci expansion or Fibonacci projection or Fibonacci extension, the same thing. So you drag it, this additional line here, you drag it to C, or you drag it to the end of the corrective wave. So our purpose is to determine where should be our profit target. So that being the case, our first profit target should have been at Fibonacci extension 100. 100 should be our first profit target. This 61.8 you are seeing here is to give you 1:1 ratio of profit. So if you make your first target 68.1, means that what you gain is what you would have lost. But that's not what we are looking at. We are going to make twice what we would have lost if we are to lose this game. So our first target is going to be 100, extension 100, which is at this line. So if you place your first target at this line, you should have been able to make a good deal of profit on this level. From this level, you should have been taking your profit anywhere on this line. Alright. So that is our first target. And our second target is 161.8, extension 161.8, which is still further up. If I move it a little, you will be able to see it is further up. Just this line is hiding it. If you minimize your chart, you'll be seeing 161.8. It's going to be around here. All right. But I just want to show you that the main purpose of this instrument is just to take your profit, to estimate your profit. So if you minimize your chart, like how we do, you will be seeing it. You see it. See the line there, 161.8, which is at this level. All right. If you have found value on this tutorial, simply give us a like and hit the subscribe button as a way of encouraging us to continue to do more. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.